Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to buy a crypto on Binance. Watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Before you start trading on Binance, you must buy a cryptocurrency to begin with. If you want to buy a certain cryptocurrency from your Binance application using a mobile device, first step is to open up your Binance application. Make sure to be logged into your account, and once you are, tap the trade button in yellow at the bottom of this page. Now select Buy option. In the search bar, type in the name of the cryptocurrency you would like to purchase, or simply choose one of the options from the top search category displayed. I'm gonna choose BNB option. Once you give it a tap, you'll end up in this page. The value of one BNB will be displayed at the top of the page. Simply go ahead and type in the amount that you'd like to spend and tap on the buy button at the bottom of the page. On the next page, choose your payment method and tap on confirm at the bottom right hand corner. That way, you'll be able to make a purchase with a cryptocurrency using a Binance application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.